What? So you ready?
Oh! Keep going, keep going. It's just a broken ricer. Oh, are you choking him out with your legs? Not the TV. Oh, you grabbing his nuts.
Yo, you better. Go! No.
Yo, Zach, crack kills.
Yo, Tyler. Oh, my fucking nuts. This is fun. I'm tired.
Come on, someone's gotta get the pin or make the other one tap out.
What?
Get the pin or tap or get him to tap.
Zach wins.